Do you wish you could produce your planned maintenance inspection reports on site, instead of creating them in the office or at home late at night? Well, with PocketSurvey, you can, and you'll really enjoy using it too. This fantastic software runs on all devices, including iPads, iPhones, Android tablets, and web browsers, and, of course, Android phones. My name is Henry from the UK, and I'm going to show you how easy this surveying software is to use. So grab a coffee and enjoy. Let's look at the buildings list screen. The menu at the top left lets you choose more advanced features, such as a calendar, maps for directions, job progress, client details, and much more. More about these other features later. Let's get back to the buildings list. The buildings list shows your building addresses organized by town, along with a thumbnail of the building photo. On the right are two icons, one to generate your report, and another to display your report as a PDF. You can create a new inspection by selecting the large plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. Let's look at the building details screen. To see the full building details, tap on a building in the list, where you will see a front page photo. As you scroll further down, you have more inspection details, such as inspector name, the date and time of the survey, free format notes, and so on. Just below the building photo are icons for everyday actions. You can add new planned maintenance items for the building by using the Add Item icon. The Copy Building icon duplicates just the building details to a new inspection. You generate a PDF planned maintenance report by selecting the Create Report icon. Once your report is ready to view, the Open Report icon will be displayed to the right, allowing you to open the building inspection report as a PDF. Then you can save it to your device or cloud storage for sharing with your client or team members. This is an example of the planned maintenance report. Your logo and address are at the top of the front page. You can put your optional trade logo at the bottom. Then you've got a table of contents. You can modify your custom phrases for the introduction and other report pages. There are cost forecast sections, which cover 5 and 30 years, and also condition and repair work forecasts. I'll page through very quickly to give you an overview of the report. There are different report section layouts. You can have small photos. You can also choose to show up to 4 larger photos, and have an elemental breakdown instead of a component or locational view. Towards the end of the report, you have limitations, disclaimer, and quality assurance statements. Floor plans appear at the end of the report. Book a demo or watch one of our webinars if you want a more detailed explanation. Back to the app. If you select the pencil icon, you can edit the building inspection details in a scrollable form. When you inspect a building, you will enter information about multiple building elements, covering fabric, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. So, let's look at the building items list screen. The items list screen shows all the building items assessed during your inspection and a thumbnail of the item photo. On the right, you can see a color-coded condition rating of the building item, such as poor, fair, or good. Use the pencil icon just below the color-coded status to edit the details of the item. The large plus icon at the bottom right adds new building items. Let's now look at the item details screen. Overlaid on the item photo is the description of the building element and its condition status. As you scroll further down, you will see more elemental details, such as defects, recommendations, free format notes, and capital replacement costs. Just below the photo are icons for everyday actions, such as adding repair works from a schedule of rates. So far I've only covered the essential features in this quick software tour, but I'll quickly go through some of the other valuable features. It's helpful to cross-reference your reports with your clients and your users. You have a handy list of all the clients you have worked for, where you can see their contact details and see the reports you have produced for them. Similarly, you have a list of users of the software with their contact details. Plus, you can easily see all the reports each of your users have produced. You can plan and view your inspections with the handy built-in jobs calendar. This gives you an excellent overview of your workload, especially if you have a team of surveyors. It's color-coded by the surveyor's name. You can view your calendar by day, week, or month. Use the arrows on either side of the date to navigate the calendar. Now, the useful map dashboard lets you preview the location details of all the buildings you've put in the system. The location of your building is visible on the map as a red pin alongside your building thumbnail. You can select the address to open the building details page directly. You can filter the list of buildings shown on the map by doing a free format search using the spyglass icon. The job progress screen makes organizing and managing your surveying jobs simple. There are 3 types of progress screens. The left side of the screen shows a pipeline of your reports according to their status. The middle part of the screen shows the inspections in date order. The inspection time is shown on the right of the building address. On the right, you can see any reports that still need completing. This PS Cloud app is very customizable. You can control the app by turning features on and off to suit your workflow. For example, if you don't want to use action priority, you can turn it off by changing it from yes to no. You can design this survey template to suit your own surveying needs by modifying almost all the menus and item attributes used in the app. You can also change the way your reports look directly in the app. Easily modify the report headings and boilerplate phrases, and even stop certain report sections from appearing in the final report. Finally, the help and support pages give you quick and easy access to resolve your troubleshooting issues directly within the app. Help topics are divided into sections where you can read answers to the most common questions that arise when using the app. Just tap or click a relevant topic to open the detailed help page. We've included lots of helpful tips and tricks in the help pages, making your experience of the app enjoyable. Hopefully, you have seen how the PS Cloud Plan Maintenance software will save you time and help you achieve faster results. Thanks for watching. Please get in touch or book an online demonstration with our team if you want to know more. Just hop over to our website and apply for a low-cost software trial now. There's a link to a contact form on our website down below. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you can be notified of new videos and surveying apps as they come out. That's all for now. See you next time.